Fusebox diagrams and locations. Toyota Corolla, 2019 to 2025. Passenger compartment. In the vehicle interior, the fuse box is located on the left side under the instrument panel. The protective cover must be removed for access. Photo for example. Diagram. Type 1, Type 2. Assignment. The fuse labeled P/outlet is responsible for the cigarette lighter. In the upper part of the block can be installed 30 fuses responsible for the power window elevators, POW, and power seats, P/seat, and sunroof, S/roof. Engine compartment. Under the hood in the engine compartment on the left side there is the main block with fuses and relays. Designation.